In this video, you'll learn how to integrate AI services such as OpenAI and Claude within the Base44 platform. By following these steps, you will successfully connect these powerful tools to enhance your application's capabilities. Start by navigating to the Base44 website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Base44. Once the page loads, you should see the Base44 homepage with various options for navigating the platform. This is your starting point for the integration process. Next, locate and click on the integrations option, which is typically found in the main menu or dashboard. Selecting this will direct you to the integration section, showcasing available services and tools that can be integrated into your application. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area. After that, click on the integrations link once more. This may seem repetitive, but it ensures that you are fully within the integrations catalog. You will now see a list of integrations that Base44 supports, including popular AI services. This is where you will find the options for connecting to OpenAI and Claude. Once this appears, look for a section labeled Discover Pre-Built Integrations that let you connect to APIs, services, and tools to extend your app's capabilities. Clicking on this link will provide you with a comprehensive overview of the integrations available. Take note of any that interest you. Following this, click on the connectors option. This will lead you to a page specifically dedicated to various connectors. Here you will find the tools necessary for establishing connections to the AI services you wish to integrate. It is essential to review this list carefully. Now, you will see a message regarding quick OF connections to popular services supported by Base44. This message indicates that you are in the right place to proceed with connecting to these AI services. Understanding this step is crucial as it outlines the authentication process you'll need to follow. Next, click on OpenAI from a list of available services. This action will take you to a new page with specific instructions and details about integrating OpenAI into your application. Familiarize yourself with the information presented here. After that, click on the How to Use section. This will provide you with detailed guidance on utilizing the OpenAI integration effectively. It is important to read through these instructions to ensure a smooth integration process. Proceed by clicking on Get Started. This button will initiate the setup process for integrating OpenAI into your app. You may be prompted to complete additional configurations, so pay attention to any instructions that appear next. A message may indicate that you need to navigate to your app's integrations tab to connect Stripe and receive personalized prompts. Ensure you follow this instruction as it is vital for the integration's functionality. It is also important to note that this integration requires back-end functions, which are only available on the Builder tier and above. If you're on a lower tier, consider upgrading to access these features. This information will help you determine if you can proceed with the integration. Next, navigate back to the home screen of Base44. This will allow you to return to the main dashboard where you can access different functionalities of your application. Once on the home screen, click on Apps. This will display the various applications you have created or have access to within Base44. Selecting this will help you locate the project you want to work on. Choose the project you intend to integrate with OpenAI. This step is crucial as it designates which application will utilize the AI services. Ensure you select the correct project to avoid any confusion. On the prompt or AI chat section, type in Integrate OpenAI. This command will initiate the integration process. Make sure to enter it accurately to ensure the system recognizes your request. Finally, click Enter. This action will execute your command and begin the integration process. Depending on your internet speed and file sizes, this may take some time, so be patient as the system processes your request.